Hey guys, in this video we are going to review the Ovente ST2620B heavy-duty electric bagless canister cleaner. If you want more information, please start the video. Features: the attachment for vacuuming the floor is flimsy. The suction control feature is eco-friendly. Lightweight and portable, that makes it easy to haul around the house when you clean. Superb, multifunctional, compact, yet powerful, is one way of describing the Ovente ST2620B cyclonic bagless canister vacuum. The vacuum cleaner's 1400 watts power output notwithstanding, it still provides the ability to save energy with its energy-saving speed controls. The energy-saving speed control allows you to control and regulate the speed within a range from minimum to maximum. Save energy when working in less dust-choked areas and switch to full power only when necessary. You can turn power to minimum or maximum as you desire. Bearing in mind that floor type in your home may vary from one room or section to another, the cleaner's integrated accessories allow for cleaning various floor types as well as in-depth surfaces. Access its power across your rooms with its 20-foot power cord while conveniently switching the cleaner off or on with the step power buttons. The hassle of manually winding the power cable is taken off you with its automatic cable rewind function. Perhaps this should not be surprising, as its high centrifugal force and maximum airflow provide superb performance. Pros: energy-saving speed control. HEPA filtration system. Premium accessories included for free. Retractable power cord. Cons: power cord and hose are a bit short. Not the most portable.